What's up everyone, this is Natalie from Serpstat and we are back again with another tutorial about everything Serpstat. But before we go ahead and discuss that, I just want to give you all a quick PSA about our lead generation tool over here at Serpstat. So as you can see, I am here on the Serpstat landing page of our website, of course, and then if you see here, there is an ad for getting a free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds. So if you want to experience that, of course, you can just leave the following information right here and then click get free audit. And then if you want as well to get a free guide showing you how Serpstat is amassing agencies an additional $3,437,000 dollars per month, then you can just leave your first name and email and then subscribe to our mailing list if that's what you want. And actually this is very highly encouraged because then you would get all the updates in your email, and then click on the find out how button. And having said all of those, let's now go ahead and discuss about our main topic for today, which is still about Serpstat. So as you can see here, I am on the projects dashboard for this specific SEO tool. And previously we have discussed about domain analysis, the overview, and the SEO research part. And today we will be discussing about the PPC research part of still under the domain analysis. So here, if you click on keywords, so during the overview part, they were able to see or have a glimpse of all of these in the overview, but this is are going through these one by one would give you a much deeper understanding about what each feature does. So here in keywords, all you have to do is enter a domain and select a database, just like what we did here in the SEO research, but this is more of PPC or pay-per-click research. So this is what it targets. So of course we'll be using Serpstat. And then here we have alright, so there's an error. We couldn't find any data in this database, or the query is wrong. Try another query or database. So let's see what else we can use just so we have let's see, PearLemon leads. Let's try PearLemon. And then google.com. Google, and then here you can or let's see, Serpstat again. But let's try the United Kingdom, because of course you can also change the country that you'll be having the analysis in. So there's still none. Let's try other things. PearLemon.com, still in the UK database. So there's also none. But since domains with subdomains with domain, so let's see here as well. You can also change if you want to use domain with subdomains, root domains, URL prefix, exact URL or keyword. So since we're not getting any data, I wonder what's wrong, but I just want to give you a quick look on what the keyword section is like. So here, if this worked, you'd get a list of keywords here, and then you'd also get a list of ads by keywords depending on the corresponding keyword that it is attached to, and as well as the landing page, keyword difficulty percentage, position, and what else? I'm not able to view keyword search volume per month. So it seems there's still some things on the side, but I cannot scroll. So yep, this is keyword search volume. So that's it. That's everything you can get from this specific feature. If you want, of course, you can have, or you can try it out for yourself by going over to serpstat.com and registering for an account. But yeah, basically that's what it does, or that's what you can expect from it. And then you also have keyword operations here, copying to clipboard, filtering, and of course exporting. So if this is something that interests you or you need it for a task, then I definitely suggest heading on over to serpstat.com. But yeah, that's it for our video for today. On the next videos, we'll be discussing a bit more about all of these subcategories under PPC research. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and please don't forget to like this video, give us a comment, and of course subscribe to the Serpstat YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys on the next video.